So tonight in my town, it is prom night, so we are going to do a little prom makeup. So I actually never went to prom. I was the type where I was more likely to be skipping school and skipping school functions to go. I spent my junior prom in rehab, and my senior prom I had already dropped out. But I did in fact go to Tolo and homecoming. I'll show you guys some. So this was me when I was like 16 at homecoming, I believe, in like 2008. And then this is me here in the middle when I was like 15, I think, at Tolo. This is like one of the very few times I dyed my hair brown. Ugh, that was not a moment. So the point is, it is time for a little bit of a redemption era. Okay, so if I were going to prom, I would keep it pretty simple with like some nudes, but I'm gonna add some rhinestones to dress it up. So I'm first gonna take this shade here, and I'm really only gonna concentrate it on this front part of my eye. Now I'm just doing the same thing on my other eye here until I have something like this, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So now I'm going back in with some more concealer to give it a cleaner line. So after all of our edges are cleaned up, I'm gonna take this lighter shade of brown, and we're gonna just blend out the top. So after you blend it out, you should be left with something that looks like this. Okay, so now we're gonna take this like nudie shimmer shade and put it right underneath. Okay, so we clearly aren't done with the eyes yet, but to do the next step, I need to do my base makeup, so I'm gonna do that and then come back and finish the eyes. If you want to see me do my base makeup, go to the next video. Okay, so now that I have my base all done, I'm going to take this little makeup palette sticker and I'm going to use it as a straight edge. And I'm going to take some eyeshadow and do a little bit of a wing here, just like this. Okay, as you can see, we got the wing now, so I'm going to add some rhinestones around this. Okay, so I have the rhinestones here, so now I'm going to add some. Okay, so I decided to put the rhinestones on top of the wing here. And now mascara. Okay, so I did my lipstick, and now last but not least, lash. And this would be my prom makeup if I was going to prom. Obviously, this isn't what I would wear or how I do my hair, but the makeup. You get the vision? So yeah.